Instructional coaching is an individualized approach to professional learning. In Seaman School District, we have a team of knowledgeable and experienced coaches who work with district staff. Teachers are already doing an amazing job, and it's the goal of the coaches to support teachers in reaching students.
For our coaching cycle, we use the impact cycle, and with this, the instructional coach and the teacher work together to identify a strategy that the teacher will implement in their classroom and to set a goal for how this strategy will help impact the students in the classroom.
It was very straightforward. She walked me through the entire process and all the steps that we had to follow, which made it very easy.
Teachers set their goals by getting a current picture of reality by videotaping in their classroom, or student interviews, or teacher observations.
Watching myself on video gave me the opportunity to view how I was teaching and what I could do to make that better.
So after setting a goal, the teacher and I come up with a strategy that's research-based, and in order to help them learn the strategy, I would model or we would observe other classroom teachers so that they would have a better idea of how to implement that strategy.
She ended up coming in and modeling it my first hour of kind of how it would work, and then 7th hour I just followed in like kind of her example, so I could get some practice and I could also watch someone do them as well.
We worked out the kinks before I was let loose with the students, because then I could focus on the learning of the activity.
I was able to go observe in their classrooms, and then just sitting and chatting with them in the primary level, teachers that were teaching similar things that I was teaching, and getting those resources and lesson ideas.
After learning this strategy, the final phase is to implement the strategy and then gather and reflect on data until the goal's met.
As teachers, we self-reflect all the time, but this really made me self-reflect and then do something about it.
They realized that just by changing one little thing that they were doing could make a huge impact on the class and like the flow of the class or the engagement of the students. So it doesn't have to be a big change that you make. It could be something really small that makes a big impact.
In the beginning, teachers are a little bit reluctant, to video themselves and kind of do all of that. But through the process, you can see the growth. And my favorite part is just the very end, when I say, and is your classroom different? Is it closer to your ideal classroom? And they're like, yes,
This has been just a wonderful experience reflecting on my learning and seeing that, or being reminded that we can always improve and do a better job.